to have this amazing group of musicians performing with me in this new iteration, this new group. I know them all for a very long time, and there are familial connections with a lot of them as well, so they do feel like family. Performed in many different iterations over the years, in duos, in trios, with the Irish Chamber Orchestra for our Sean-Nós song project, RóisínReImagined. And this group is a way to bring elements of all those different sounds together. We have a focus on the harp this time, with the wonderful world-renowned harper Michael Rooney, who's incredible to play and sing with the brilliant Dónal O'Connor on fiddle and keyboards. And Dónal has a wealth of experience as a music producer, and he's someone who really understands songs, and he's our musical director. We've the hugely respected master piper Mick O'Brien, who's an incredible musician and whose love of music is just infectious. And from Conamara, we've Becky Ní Éallaithe, a very talented young musician, and Becky plays concertina and sings harmony vocals and is a beautiful Sean-Nós dancer. And we've the great Neil Martin on cello, providing that warm bed of sound and touch of class, and he really adds to the texture of the music. Neil, he's hugely experienced. He's played with all the greats, so it's a real joy for me to play with him and with all of them. I suppose you could say there's a shared unspoken communication that happens when the right people are playing together, and it becomes like telepathy when it goes well. And I think the audience feel that too, and for me that's what it's all about. We want to give people a good night and recreate that energy that you get from a brilliant session, the kind that I grew up with, which included loads of songs and dancing as well. I want to bring the audience on that journey. You'll have a shared evening with loads of variety. There'll be highs and lows, because that's what's so beautiful about Irish traditional music for me, are all the different colours. You have instrumental pieces and the up-tempo pieces, but equally the language and Irish song, and show how accessible it is and give them a taste of the real thing. Really, really excited to get this group out on the road, playing for people, up on stages. I'm just so proud of it, and excited to get going.